We just got these squishy toys in the mail, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. My daughter is so excited. They're all individually packaged. Let's see, it does look like we have the majority of white ones, but there's a good mixture. Two little blue ones. Ooh, a little snail. Actually, they're all different. I thought, oh, that's cute.
It's a little cat.
There's another little cat. So it looks like there's a ton of different color options.
This one.
So it looks like an octopus, maybe?
Yeah.
So a lot of different varieties. And this is what they look like. Ooh, they're nice and squishy.
Yeah. That's what I want them.
So here they are, and the cool thing is not one of them is the same. Even though you might have two different cats, they're different colors. So that's really cool because they're all unique in their own little way. So here they are.